Hello everybody, welcome to the second Scratch Coding Challenge for November 2016. So in this coding challenge, what we're going to do is I'm going to expand on our last coding challenge. So last coding challenge, if you remember, you had to draw your name using some turns and some moves. So I'm just going to run my code real quick. And so I've added a couple little weights in here. So these weights are going to let it kind of be animated, and you can see there. So there's my first two letters of my name getting kind of drawn and coded there, and that's how there's my code right there. And that's basically the first challenge from October. So in this challenge, what you're going to do is I've created a project. And what you're going to do is you're going to remix the project. And I'll include a video on how to remix projects after this. But the idea is you're going to go into my project, and I'm just going to click the green flag to start. So nothing comes up. This is where you should read the instructions. So, Mr. Smith can't get his code right. He has tried to code the capital letters G, F, and T. Press the letters T, F, and G to see the letters get drawn. The spacebar clears all the drawing. Remix the project to fix it. So what you're going to do is if I press the F key, oh geez, there's something definitely wrong with that. So press the spacebar to clear it all the way. I lost connection with my keyboard. There we go. I press the G button, and then I clear it all the way, and the T button. E. So there's my G. Looking so good, and then I don't know what I did over there. I can't fix it either. T. So this little tail right there. I don't know what I can do to fix it. And the F. Oh, geez, there's this diagonal line right there. I don't know how to fix it. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go inside my code. And I've included my code right here. Included one description of what one of these blocks does. And I have this one that says point in direction 90. This forces the sprite to look right. And I know you're probably looking at this going, well, I don't see Scratchy the cat. Well, I've hidden Scratchy the cat. So I'll just pull on my show, my hide. So there's Scratchy right there. And so as you go through the project, you'll notice, I'll just press clear. And if I press F, you see, I always get him to point in direction 90, so he's looking right at the very end. That makes him look to the right. Otherwise, I could have him looking in a different direction at the end of it. E. Let me just clear that away. You can see how that kind of starts breaking things. So that's what that block does, just in case you're wondering. So I'll just, there we go. All right, so you have to think, what can you do to fix that mistake right there so we can get a nice capital F? And I've made very common mistakes. Once you're done this challenge, there's an additional thing you must do. So once you've remixed my project and you've fixed the F, the T, and the G, so here's my FT code, my F key or F letter code, and my T letter or T key code, or my G letter or G key code, what I'd like you to do is I would like you to go and code one last thing. So I'd like you to code, for example, I'd like you to code a triangle. So I'd like to see if you can code for me a nice equilateral triangle with 3 equal sides. That's the bonus challenge on top of this. So once you've done those 3, maybe make the, I don't know, the 3 key, or let's see if you can even do that. Yeah, you can do the 3 key. So you can make the number 3. So when somebody taps the 3 key to code a triangle. Once you've done it, I'd like you to share your project to the studio I've created. And don't forget to tag your projects with TLDSB code. I look forward to your work, and good luck debugging my mistakes. I made these mistakes, I just can't figure out how to fix them. Thanks very much for your time, and I hope you the best of luck.